Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to Paris, and welcome to the most anticipated car of this year's car show in Paris. Of course, it's the new BMW 3 Series. Okay, so this is actually the 7th generation of the BMW 3 Series. It's got a code name G20, and let's start with some facts. It is bigger than the previous model, 85 millimeters longer, around 16 millimeters wider, and only 1 millimeter taller, which means it still looks very, very aggressive, even more than the previous one. Let's start with the looks, the exterior. You have these massive kidneys, which are the signature sign of the BMW, of course, and they grow so much that they are now connected to these LED lights. Actually, these are the laser lights, and the LED lights come as standard. I thought that the 3 Series is gonna look similar to the 5 Series, but actually these lights aren't that similar, so you have this different shape that we didn't see on the other BMW models. Moving on to the side, this car has an M package and sits on this lovely 19-inch wheels. But everybody is talking about this, the rear end of this car. There were a lot of comments regarding this, and people comment on these taillights. As you see, they have this L shape, and some people say that remind them of the Lexus. I don't know, you tell me, what do you think about it? I think they look very good. In the photos they look pretty nice, but now when I'm here, it's really, really nice. And especially with this M package. Okay, this is fake, but it looks nice, and you have the dual exhausts. And if we open the trunk, it has 480 liters. It is actually exactly the same as the new Audi A4, I mean not the new, the current Audi A4 and the Mercedes C-Class. So yeah, that was the exterior of the car. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? I think BMW made a great job, and this car is really an eye-catcher. Okay, so of course we want to know the price of this car. Now, I don't speak French, but I do understand that this is the model that's been presented here, and it's 55,000 euros and 750. That's a lot for 320 diesel, although this is the xDrive, but still a lot of money, I think. But car really, really looks magnificent. Okay, so let's jump inside and see what's new. Okay, so this is a nice place to be. You have, of course, this first thing you'll notice is this digital dashboard. BMW first introduced it in the 8 Series, and then on the X5, and now on this 3 Series. Some old school fans of BMW will maybe be sad, but come on, this is the 21st century. All the opponents have the digital dashboards, and I think this looks really, really cool. Now on the here you have 10-inch screen, which is of course okay, I'll shut the door. So you have 10-inch screen, really, really nice. If I do this, then you will see some cup holders, USB ports, and stuff like that. BMW decided to keep some of the buttons here, and well, I must say I like that, because it makes your life easier, especially while you're driving. And other opponents such as Audi and the Mercedes, they went to all touchscreen. I don't know, like, you tell me in the comments which one do you prefer, but I think this is really good. Then here you have a gear knob that's new, and you can control everything from here on this, or you can control it on touch here. So there are two options. So if you don't want dirt here, you will control it here. Here we have some buttons. You can choose different driving modes here. I'm not sure that's the best thing, because maybe to switch between driving modes it's good to have it here, but then just the switch, not the actual driving modes, because now while you're driving you have to look and say, okay, I want to go to sport, and then you press the sport. That's a little minus, but okay. And with navigation, I think it also has the gestures, yeah. So as you can see, I can turn on the volume like this. That's cool. Okay, so now we have a digital cluster here, and one thing that I wanted to show you. So here you have your speed, and here you have the revs, and it's interesting because the revs go this way, the backwards, and it's the same thing actually as the Aston Martin and the Peugeot 308 and the new Peugeot models. So I think it's cool. I like when something is different. And tell me in the comments your opinion. What do you think about that? Okay, so let's see the space here at the back. Okay, so look at this. This is the leg room for me, and I'm 1.87 m, so that's a really good result by BMW, and it's a very big improvement compared to the last generation, which was okay but not that good. So good job, BMW. At the beginning of the sales, car comes with two engine options. One of them is this, the 320D. It's the entry model diesel, and there's also a stronger, more powerful petrol version, the 330i. Of course, other engines will also follow soon. There will be a hybrid version, and also there will be a petrol engine, 1.5 liter 3-cylinder, which will be the entry model. And believe me, that's a great engine. That's the same one that new Mini uses. Also the new BMW 1 Series entry models use that, and also that engine is in the BMW i8. So okay guys, so that was it, a first look at the new BMW 3 Series. I'm really impressed by the model. Comes with a lot of technology, a great design, and I think it's gonna be a great success on the market. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, because there will be a lot of reviews from the Paris Motor Show, so stay tuned for that. Bye.